Model, Talbot Express 2.5 diesel auto sleeper talisman camper motorhome needs head gasket still starts. Body, white, motorhome. Mileage, 124,000. Engine, 2500 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, will start but the head gasket needs replacing. The exhaust gases coming out of the coolant bottle and starts to pressurize. Straightforward repair and will be an absolute bargain for someone grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest camper van. Features, wind-up windows, 3 keys, tow bar, bed, fridge, hob, sink. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.